Hello everyone, so it's Tuesday the 28th of August 2018 and it's quite early. It's 6:25, 15 degrees, good visibility, some cloud cover, and the plan is to fly to the Reading Festival, which is now finished yesterday at 2 p.m, and I'm going to try and get some footage and photos of the Reading Festival aftermath, which will be interesting. I've taken pictures the last couple of years, and 2 years ago my photos made the news and invited for a radio interview on the BBC. So that's the plan. Got very light winds, about 1 or 2 miles per hour at the moment. So here goes. Wings all laid out nicely. A few final checks. Checking the lines are in the correct position. Pilot's ready, strapped in, hooked in, all good. Clear prop! It's going to be a long run because there's no wind, so I've got to make every bit count. Nice launch. Let's get some height above my takeoff ground. Safe altitude before I head off. Right, we're over Calcott right now. It's the west side of Reading. Got the M4 here. Some lakes. The Reading Festival is just over there on the other side of town. We've also got the water tower in Tylehurst. The A4 is here. However, if you're visiting the festival, you may not come this way. They normally send you round the back of Reading. There's a car park on the other side of the river. So I've got good height now, 1,300 feet above the ground. Right, we're now getting a good view of the Reading Festival. There's a lot of mess. The car park's empty, everyone's gone home. We're not over thousands of people when we go over. All these fields were car parks. And I've seen some photos online of loads of smashed windows, vandals smashing windows, car windows. It's just so wrong. It looks like the clean-up exercise has already taken place in this field. All these piles are tents. We'll get down and have a closer look. We've got plenty of places to land if we have an engine out. Start descending. Bring the trims in. Make the aircraft a bit slower. Big piles of tents below me. What time is it? It's 6:40 a.m. It's an unbelievable sight, really. Here's the main stage. Just incredible how many empty tents all over the place. All these volunteers are going to come and pick up all these tents. And they're going to go to homeless people, I believe in France, North France, for refugees. So still got quite a few big tents still standing. They're probably waiting for the drier weather to take it all down. Because last year they were already dismantling them on the Monday night. Sunday we had a lot of rain here. It's probably a bit of a mud bath, especially down by the stage. Lots of birds scavenging for leftover food. Heading north right now. Going to turn west. Take a look again, a bit lower. Still I'm at a safe height. Just amazing how many tents there are scattered. Incredible, really. Take some photos. Poor residents thought they were going to have a nice quiet lay-in after all the noise. There was me buzzing over them, so I apologise if you're watching this. That bridge down here, it's a makeshift bridge. They put up every year for the festival and they take it down again. signs just so people can get to the car parks. So we've got piles of tents. Some really good volunteers down there helping out clear up all the mess. You're doing a good job. So many abandoned tents. Unbelievable. You should check some of the videos out on YouTube. Just search Glastonbury Festival, Reading Festival, abandoned tents from the ground, and you'll see really nice tents. I mean, these aren't cheap tents. I mean, a lot of them probably are, but some of them are about £300 or £400. They just leave them. I'm really sorry again if I'm buzzing over your house and annoying you at 6:50 in the morning. One more go around, then I've got to get back, so I've got to go work. Right, I think it's time to head back now. Incredible. Well, that was a 2018 Reading Festival down there, all finished. The clean-up exercise begins, and I guess within a few weeks it will be back to normal. All beautiful countryside. But for now, maybe I'll be back again next year if the weather allows. Thanks for watching. If you want to continue staying with me, I'll bring you along my journey back across the English countryside. This is going to be a nicer sight than that mess down there. Just follow the river, go round the town. I'll be flying 24 minutes. I'm currently flying 27 miles per hour. There we go, we can already see the untouched countryside. Only a few hundred yards away from the festival site behind me. Got cows, ploughed fields. Start to see a bit of green grass. Again, it's been very dry. It's been dry summer. So after the rain we've had the weekend, it's like the grass is starting to flourish again. Right in front of me now we have Purley-on-Thames, and to the left of me we have Tilehurst. It's got the railway here to Didcot. Back the other way is Reading. Oh, just had a bit of turbulence. Put the trims out. Smooth air this morning, but now and again some strange pockets of air. In front of me we have Pangbourne on the far side of that field. Heading back to my landing zone now. Probably about 20 minutes away. Trims out. Get some turbulence. Towards Newbury and towards London, IKEA down here, Sainsbury's by junction 12 of the M4, and I'm heading west, a slower journey back. because I'm heading west into wind. M4 pretty calm at 7:05 in the morning. Give it an hour, probably be a lot more busy. Right below me we got Phil Golf Course. One of my friends is a member. Last time I played golf was down there and I had such a horrible time. I said I'm never playing golf again. Took up flying instead. Just about to fly over my old secondary school, Theo Green School. A shout out to anyone who goes there. They won't be there today though, it's the summer holidays. People on their way to work. Little airstrip over there. Little cricket ground. You can see there'll be water in the grass. In between the railway and the A4. This is a different railway to the one by the festival. This one goes to Newbury. There's like some railway works going on down there. New tracks in. Oh, that was a fast landing. Look at that, nice and floaty.